Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how you can create a moving watermark so that no chance for people out there steal your video. First and after, you just need to open the video project that you have on your video, and the next thing you need to do is just go adding the text to be a watermark. Go click text and click add text. Now you just need to add the watermark that you want to have. Let me add mine. Right after that, you just need to customize this. If you want to make it like opaque, you just need to take a look on this side, and then you just need to take a look on this opacity, and then you just need to swipe into the left side until it's going transparent. The next, you can adjusting the size too. If you want to make this there's a watermark moving all around your video, make sure that the duration of the text is applying into the whole video first. Right after you got it in the whole video, now you just need to place this text into the specific area that you want to start. And the next is just go tap into this icon to get the first moving. The next, you just need to move the straight line into the specific area, and then you just need to move the text into the specific place. And you can just repeat these things until the end of the clip. And now you are done. So let's just take a look for the result. Now you can see the watermark is already moving around all of the videos, so that no change for people out there for stealing your video. Thank you for watching, and if you still have some questions, just drop in the comment sections below. So don't forget to subscribe for upcoming tutorials.